Fentanyl is now one of the deadliest drugs in America, and experts want the public to know the risks.
Jonas Evans spoke to local and national crime fighters about the ever-changing illegal drug trade.
Little as 2 milligrams of fentanyl can be potentially deadly. And you've probably heard this before, but that equates to, a few grains of salt.
People here in Scott County have overdosed and they have died on these pills that have been sold to them, most likely believing that they are true pharmaceuticals.
Fentanyl is a deadly drug, and DEA agent Travis Ocken says the methods of delivery are growing.
There's a lot of apps out there that are being used primarily by young people. And a lot of times they're just a forum where individuals can go on and they can start conversations with maybe people they don't know.
Without recovery drugs like Narcan, the challenge of helping an overdose victim is severe.
We can do our interventions, but we're kind of fighting a really hard uphill battle, and that Narcan saves a lot of time and effort, and using that as soon as possible is huge.
The effectiveness of Narcan is an absolute game changer for these EMS teams. But when it comes to saving a life, the biggest challenge can often be getting an overdose victim to seek out help.
People have this notion that if they call 911, they're going to get in trouble. There's a good Samaritan law out there that protects you. If you do have somebody that has overdosed on opioids and stuff, you can call 911 and still, save a life.
But preventing an overdose before it happens is a much more difficult challenge, especially for parents. In Davenport, Jonas Evans, WQAD News 8.
And as far as advice for parents, the agent says awareness of drugs is inevitable for children, and the earlier drug safety conversations happen, the better.